Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going to the gun range for not my first time, but my first time seriously training. It's my belief, my conviction that learning to use weapons, especially as a man, is one of your more important moral obligations to your family and the people around you. Just because a man has a moral obligation to be a capable protector, and in this age, a capable protector is a person with guns, because people fight with guns today. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, I'd say I did alright. Not all of these shots are mine. Some of them are from my friend, who I will not name on this channel because it's just too based. Anyway, this was at 20 yards, and then he did some shots on his own target at 20 yards and then at 10 yards. That was pretty decent, I'd say, for my second time. And keep improving. And if any of you guys were wondering what the gun I was using was, look at my fingers in the camera. What a mom. This was a Mossberg 590 retrograde, the one with the 20-inch barrel, the extended mag tube, the heat shield, and the wood furniture, and the bead sight. I didn't get any other kind of sight. I think a bead will probably work just fine for me. Anyway, so long, fellas. Stay based. Oh, that's my license plate. I guess it doesn't matter that much. If you guys did somehow find me because of my license plate, I have a shotgun.